I, I'm from downstairs already. I just came up here because I'm going to clean, vacuum the floor. And good morning to all of you. And here, I'm sorry guys, I'm just gonna tell you something. All my underwear, this is my underwear. I'm just showing you like that. All my underwear, every time my husband opened the drawer, my cats always grab one pair of my underwear. All the freaking time, guys. It's just, there's something wrong with this little guy I have here. It's just obsessed with my underwear. I don't know what's going on with him though. And then he carried it all over the house. It's embarrassing, you know. And then I have to keep running after him because there's something wrong. There's something wrong with him. And my husband loves it. It's just fun. He thinks it's a funny thing. Yeah, and I have to keep washing it every time he takes one out. And now I'm going to clean and vacuum the third floor and the second floor, our room. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I'll see you later, guys. And yeah, this morning the cat is a little bit annoying, especially the little one. I'll show you now the clip of what he's doing this morning when I went downstairs. There you go. Video connect.
It's amazing how you're like, oh my god, why you do that? Look, no. The two of you, why you guys are carrying that glass in here? Huh? The two of you? Why are you hiding? So you will eat the glass if you guys bring the glass here. Bring it back to the kitchen, Hubs. Hubs, wait, bring it back to the kitchen. Trying to take it off now. That's all he's trying to do. Yes. Get rid of the glass and carry all this container. Look. I don't know, he like there's mold in there. That's mold, wait. Look. He's the one who's trying to get rid of that glass side of the container. Look what he's going to do. So funny, this kid. Why are you doing that, Abs? Why you want the container, not the glass? Huh? Put that back to the container. Bring the container back here. Bring the container back here, Abs.
It's just like try to get the grass out of the container and then carry, you know, it's from the kitchen window and then he carried inside the living room to the dining room. We just carry the container. Abby is home today and get home like 4 something o'clock in the afternoon and he's sleeping because he's so tired. And me, I'm just surfing online and baking some potato and corn, making some corn for dinner, and leftover meat. It's very dark in here, guys. I'm sorry. My hubby is so tired. Hubby is tired. Tired, guys. And he's in pain. I love you, good boy. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Oh my god. We're early today. So my husband is not home, so I'm the one who's here. And her and me. So yeah, it's another boring day, guys. And I'll see you later. Don't go away.
Hi guys, I'm home. And it's time to vacuum. Yeah, and I'm spraying some, not spray, I sprayed some powder, with deodorizer. Because you know, we have dogs, we have cats, so. Oops. So, that's what I'm doing right now. Vacuum from the dining to the living room, because it needs to be vacuum. And this is what I use, guys. I'll show you. The cat is just like following me. And observing what I'm doing. This is what I use, I'll show you. This is a peat odor eliminator. Eliminates peat odor and fish carpet and rugs. Like if you can see. Yeah.
Well, however, don't think
Hey
about it just in the terms of my thing about
people.
promotion.
I'm done vacuuming. So how are you guys doing? Oh, thank you for, for your comment. You know who you are. It's she's from Cebu. Thank you for, talking to me on Facebook. And yeah, right now I'm just like lying down. I'm just sitting down here in the couch and yeah, watching YouTube as usual. And then later on, it's a routine, waiting her call and pick her up and that. But I wish there is some excitement going on that I can just like share you something. And that's not gonna happen until next year. I'm excited for it. And then you will know next year, I'm going somewhere. Anyway, I'm not gonna tell you guys, but you will know in the future. And yeah, very excited, and I've been planning already what I'm going to do, and you'll see. Yeah, I will try to. Oh, my husband's calling me now, guys. Every time. Hello. Hi. Nothing, just watching YouTube. What's going on with you? Okay, and let's have some lunch. Let's have some lunch. Oh, look at that. My rice. Cooking some rice because I don't have rice. Just like last night, guys. We're having dinner and the rice we have left is very little. So, I ate the whole rice. Because I'm the only one eat a lot of rice here. My mother-in-law sometimes eat rice, sometimes not, So, I chose to eat the whole rice. Because sometimes she doesn't feel like up to, so she's just eating the meat and the vegetables. And my husband, he like to eat rice with his rice, the Spanish rice. Oh my God, my legs are sleeping again. No, it's only one leg. My leg is sleeping again. The left side always. It always happen like this, guys. Rice and spam. My fav. Spam is my fav. My favorite. And spam. Rice. I'm gonna have some rice. This is what I'm going to have. This is what I'm going to have. Rice, rice, rice. That's it. Hi guys, I'm going to charge you here because I'm going downstairs and I will put you charged because this phone is low bat. I've been using my phone for vlogging. Hi guys, I'm here in bed again. Anyway, I bring my laptop in here because I have to do something online and I need my cell phone. So yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs now and bring you guys downstairs. Hold on guys, it's moving too fast. Yeah, that's it. I'm done. Just burn. Hey, hey, look at that. Look. Hello. 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 The other one is right there too. They're both sleepyhead.